Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview A200 Pro and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so make sure that you're on this specific mode, so the picture one. And now we can take a look at this option bar, and on the second position from the right, we've got the timer. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, we've got overall 4 different options, so off, 3, 5, and 10 seconds delay. So simply tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 10 seconds delay, and as you can see, after tapping on it, what happened? The basic icon, so the timer icon, will change according to the countdown we've just chosen. It is also highlighted. So now all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and basically after that time it will take a photo. So this is how to set the timer. Of course, you can always turn them off. Simply tap on this icon again and tap on this clock icon or timer icon without any kind of countdown. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.